risk asset this morning. We got that majorly important FOMC meeting up later this evening. And, you know, the market only just a couple of days ago was positioned very heavily for a 50 basis point hike with a potential risk for a 75 basis point move. Now that whole framework's changed when Wall Street Journal Insider came out laying the foundations for a potential 75 basis point hike, with now the upside surprise of a 100 basis point hike. And the sell side research now consensus, there's only a handful left of people that are now expecting a 50 basis point hike. It'll be the first time the Fed have moved by 75 basis points since 1994 if they were to do it. And turnaround Tuesday yesterday was obviously fizzled out. We saw in the morning there's a bit of a bounce, but then that fizzled out, yields carried on moving higher. But this morning now we're seeing a bit of a bounce in risk assets. We're seeing, you know, those high risk currencies bouncing back a bit, the pound's rallying, the euro's having a bit of a rally. Speaking of the euro, we've obviously got the ECB calling an emergency meeting this morning to deal with those spread blowouts. The BTB Bund spread got up to 250 basis points yesterday, and they're trying to use their PEP reinvestments. I don't think it's going to be enough. I think they're going to have to deploy an entirely new tool. You know, the Fed are desperate though to regain their credibility back, their inflation fighting credibility, and I think they will. My take is that they will probably move by 75 basis points, but at the same time I think such peak hawkishness has been priced in now. Will we get that buy the rumor, sell the fact kind of price action in the dollar and see a disappointment tonight with the Fed not meeting the market's expectations? 2022 dot, 2023 dot will be important. I want to see where the terminal rate gets to as well, and the future rate policy path. If he does go 75 basis point, what's the point of rate guidance, forward guidance really? And then lastly, to finish off with the other big news story, was the UK got pummeled yesterday. Euro GBP pushed up above 0.86 and cable dropped below 1.20.